Okay, so right now I am in my room currently. I'm getting on some shoes because today I'm going to go outside and show you all of my animals that I own. Just a little head start. I'm going to tell you what we have. We have 11 chickens, and they're all, I forgot what breed they are, and then we have 4 puppies, 4 female dogs, and a male adult dog, and we have 2 rabbits. Yes, you hear the dogs barking. Hey! Hold on a second. Sorry about that, but right here is Shy. Spot. That Spot. And that is Trouble. And those are all the females. So over here is Ski. This is the male. He's very nice, very nice. Over here's the puppies. We have Bullseye, Josephus, Rascal, and Buck. There's Buck. There's Rascal. So go to the rabbits. This is Cotton, the female, and this is the male Rocket. His door fell down again, so let's say hi to Rocket. Doesn't want to come out today, I guess. Now here's the chickens. There is a adult rooster, and then we have some bigger hens, and then all the smaller hens. One of these bigger hens, like her, had them, but there's like 11. We had 4 hens and a rooster, but then they had 6 babies. So they had 6 biddies. So chicks. Sorry, someone calls them biddies that comes over here. So either way, whatever, it doesn't matter. Yeah, they're so barkative. So barkity! Now, last but not least, the mama that had those the 4 puppies, her name is Trixie, and she is pregnant again. She had 9, but 5 of the puppies sadly died. Trixie! Well, she is pregnant, but while my brother is acting like a little good. Oh, she's eating. Trixie! Here is Trixie, and if you can tell, she is pregnant.